Monde. I'm the CEO and founder of Glow Health. We're a nutrition and public health practice that provides services around the nutrition and dietetics, preventive health, and public health sectors. I'm an American registered nurse with a master's in public health, and I'm also a certified nutritionist. So I chose this profession because I have a passion for helping people live their best lives by making healthier choices. When I was going through my nursing school, I quickly learned through education and through my clinical experience that there's so many things that we can do to help people from getting to the point where they're on medications for life or they end up on the hospital floor. And most of these lifestyle diseases can be managed by your diet. At Glow Health, we always say that your diet is the first line of defense against disease, and it absolutely is. So we practice something called lifestyle medicine, which uses evidence-based therapeutic and scienced approaches that help to treat, prevent, and oftentimes reverse these chronic illnesses caused by lifestyle diseases. So I moved back to Nigeria and started Glow Health because I had a mission to educate Nigerians with the correct knowledge, provide them with the best health professionals that could provide world-class care, and also just let them know that there are so many things that we can do here to influence preventive health. I mean, I struggled as well when I moved back. You move back and you're eating all sorts of things because you're eating what's readily available, and what's readily available may not be the healthiest option. And you're working long hours, Lagos traffic, everything. And before you know it, even someone that has a lot of education may start picking up the poorest habits as well. But just because we're here doesn't mean that there's nothing that we can do. Actually, we're in the best position because we're blessed with an abundance of natural resources in our agricultural sector. We have so much arable land, so much organic food that you pay so much for when you're abroad. We just need to know how to make these small changes that can help us have the best quality of life. Stay strong, stay focused, and stay resilient. Things are not always going to go as planned, but just focus on what you're trying to do and make sure that you have a good, strong support system in your corner. There's so many different types of women that inspire me. They don't necessarily have to be in my field. They just have to be resilient in their own respective fields. People that are go-getters, people that aren't necessarily doing what everyone would expect them to do, thinking outside of the box and breaking barriers, and even just being different. Maybe they've picked up and moved across country like I did. People that take a chance. My mother also inspires me. She's also in my field, and she did exactly that. What excites me right now, it's kind of bad, but I am a public health professional, so I like the fact that we're talking about an epidemic that's going on. We're talking about coronavirus because it's making us be more health conscious. I mean, the things that we have to do to help prevent the spread of this virus are things that we should be doing every single day. But for some reason, we're not doing them. Unfortunately, it takes something like an epidemic for us to be washing our hands. But I like that this conversation has started again, just like when Ebola came around, because we're taking protective measures to make sure that we can contain the spread. And so that excites me. I'm also excited about the new services that we're introducing here at Glow Health. So we're introducing vitamin infusions, which is IV insertion of antioxidants, minerals, nutrients, and amino acids for different wellness benefits. And nurse training in the sense that we're doing IV cannulation and medic training, because IV cannulation is one of the most frequent procedures that everyone in the healthcare industry does, and it's one of the most failed procedures. So we'll be doing that as well. So if I had some words of inspiration to give to young women, I would say be flexible in your path and just take the risk. I know it sounds so easy to say, it's really not that easy, but if you're thinking about something, just do it, especially while you're young, when you don't have as many responsibilities. You don't have to worry about your husband or your children, you have a lot of time to fail. You know, mistakes will happen, and that's fine as long as you're able to bounce back from them quickly. And so just take the risk and be flexible in your path. Always have your support system, whether that's your family or your friends, by your corner. When you do succeed, then try to be a mentor for young girls just like yourself. Okay. So how do I feel in HIKKY'S hair? I feel fabulous, actually. One thing I love about HIKKY'S hair is she's always has quality products, not even just quality products, but the services as well. And it's something that I don't have to worry about coming to work every day. I know that, you know, I'm fine no matter what I'm doing. So that's what I love.